Chinese steamed egg. Chinese people have long used steaming as a cooking method. Chinese steamed egg is a classic Chinese dish. Its history dates back over 4,000 years. Over time, the seasonings and styles have evolved, but the basic technique remains the same. You can also add your favorite ingredients. Bring water to a boil. Meanwhile, prepare the ingredients. Crack and beat for eggs. Add salt, mix well. Add warm water. The ratio of egg to water is 1 to 1.5. Stir well. Use a strainer to remove bubbles. This makes the texture smoother and the surface more even. If you don't mind, you can skip this step. Pour the strained egg mixture into a container. When the water boils, place it in the steamer. Leave a small gap in the lid. This lets excess steam escape and prevents water droplets from falling in. Turn to low heat and steam for 8 minutes. After steaming, add soy sauce if you like. Add sesame oil. Sprinkle with chopped green onions. A simple, delicious, and low-fat steamed egg is ready. Try it yourself and taste the flavor from 4,000 years ago.